welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. I'm Laura, and today I'm in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make an easy breakfast hash. We're going to start with cast iron, and we've got a little bit of oil in there getting hot. I'm going to run about medium to medium high. I've got 2 potatoes here diced up and blanched. So for 2 potatoes, I will use about a pad or a pad and a half of butter. And then I've got some thick diced onion here, and we're going to put those in and let them start to get a little bit soft and translucent. And as those are getting cooked up, we can go ahead and add our potatoes, which again are blanched, so we're going to finish cooking them off. And to that, I've got some seasoning salt. You can use whatever you like, Lowry's, Johnny's, you can Mrs. Dash. If you want to come up with your own, just some salt, some pepper, and some fresh herbs, that's good too. And you want to coat your potatoes, flip them in the oil and butter, and then coat them again. So our potatoes are browning up, and I've got some partially cooked bacon. So I just cooked it off part way, and then I'm going to add in here and crisp it up. So you're going to put that bacon in, give it a little stir, and then maybe let it sit on there and crisp up for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so I've got some eggs that my chickens laid. So when you crack your egg in the water, just drop it in real gently, as close to the water as you can get, and it should stay in a nice little egg form. Poached eggs take about 3 to 4 minutes if you like them runny, and about 5 or 6 minutes if you like them more firm. Okay, our eggs are poached, and I think we're ready to plate up. So we've got our hash, like I said, potatoes, bacon. We're going to put our poached eggs right on top. Look at those look great. Those are beautiful. Okay, we've got our breakfast hash. We're going to take it outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Would you like to try the breakfast hash we just made?
Oh, thank you.
Let us know what you think.
Delicious.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining me today from Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham in the KitchenAid kitchen. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.